start? Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Namaste. So my name is Nagma Nurani and I'm from team Rujita Divekar, and today I'm going to speak about 5 healthy tips for NRIs. Okay. So before I can head on to the pointers, सबसे पहले मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि जब हम हमारे घर से अवे जाते हैं रहने के लिए, तो there are a few changes that happens, because of this shift. पॉइंट नंबर 1 दैट हैपन्स इज हमारा गट बैक्टीरिया में शिफ्ट आता है. तो जब हम इंडिया से एक सैनिटाइज कंट्री में जाते हैं तो हमारा गट बैक्टीरिया का डाइवर्सिटी जो ज़्यादा होता है वो श्रिंक हो जाता है. इसी के वजह से मेटाबॉलिज्म में चेंजेस, डाइजेशन में चेंजेस, स्किन, हेयर, बेसिकली ये सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. द सेकेंड थिंग दैट चेंजेस व्हेन यू शिफ्ट अवे फ्रॉम होम इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. ओके, सब कुछ काम हमें खुद ही करना पड़ता है. कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, गार्बेज बाहर रखना, डिश वॉशर को लोड अनलोड करना, ये सब कुछ हम पे आता है और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ की हमको आदत नहीं होती है. सो इट्स अ न्यू एडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर अस. और तीसरा चीज़ जो चेंज होता है वो है एक्सट्रीम वेदर. ओके, सो नाउ कीपिंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द 5 हेल्दी टिप्स फॉर NRI. पॉइंट नंबर 1, आपका जो भी पेरिशेबल आइटम्स है यू गेट इट फ्रॉम द प्लेस यू लिव, एंड ऑल द नॉन पेरिशेबल आइटम्स यू गेट इट दैट बिलोंग्स टू योर इंडियन हेरिटेज. ओके, सो नॉन पेरिशेबल मतलब थिंग्स दैट कैन लास्ट यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, लाइक योर ग्रेन्स, मिलेट्स, पल्सेस, दाल्स, spices, oils, all of these things from your Indian heritage. Whereas things that are perishable like milk and milk products, vegetables, fruits, meat, eggs, all of these things locally from where you're staying. Now get it as local as it is possible for you. For example, abhi milk, you are getting raw milk in the West. So if you have access to raw milk, get raw milk. If you have access to farmers market, go to the farmers market and get these vegetables and fruits. Okay, and if you are staying in a country जो ये प्रोड्यूस नहीं बनाता है, okay, then उसके बारे में हैसल्ड मत होइए. आपकी कंट्री में बहुत अच्छे रेगुलेशंस है, स्ट्रिक्ट रेगुलेशंस है और सबसे बेस्ट माल आपके शेल्फ्स पे आता है. सो फील फ्री टू यूज द इंडियन मार्केट और द पटेल स्टोर्स. Okay, and yeah, go and get whatever is most easily possible for you. So I want to like to share a thing that Rushta told me is that uska friend, his name is Takku, he lives in the US. Hi Takku, if you're watching me on this video. So he is from Hyderabad and he really misses his gongura. तो उसने अपने बैकयार्ड में ही गोंगुरा उगा लिया ताकि उसको जब चाहिए तब गोंगुरा मिलेगा. So basically you have to make the best of both worlds. जितना हो सके you guys do it. Going to our second pointer is watch out for your serving size. Now, when our clients start working with us and their main goal is weight loss and they ask us कि कितना खाना चाहिए, and we tell them pay attention और अपने appetite के हिसाब से खाओ. बट हमको वहाँ पे एक छोटा एक्सट्रिक्ट डालना पड़ता है for clients who live in the West, especially in the US. Because US is notorious for its large serving size. Okay, the customer is the king, so you get like a huge quantity for everything. Whereas like burger ले लो या rice ले लो, anything, even like a coffee mug, it's really really huge. तो क्या हो जाता है, हमें ज़्यादा खाने की आदत हो जाती है. इतना खाना हम पहले शायद घर पे कभी नहीं खाते. So our serving size automatically increases and we feel that is more normal to us. Now for example, ये कप ले लो. This is the kind of cup we would like probably go to Archie's and buy for like our friends or anything. ये आपका regular cup size हो गया है. Okay, so you go and get back to the cutting size. So this is the size that you would drink चाय और कॉफ़ी in जब आप घर पे थे. One more thing that has happened is बड़े से मग में पीने की वजह से you drink a lot of quantity and ये जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है. तो you just go, you reheat it in the microwave and when you come back फिर से ठंडा हो गया, फिर से गर्म करते हैं. So we constantly do this with the mugs, whereas when you drink in a cutting chai cup, okay, ये ज़्यादा देर तक गर्म रहता है. Okay, at the minute it gets cold we stop drinking it. So this is what you guys need to shift to. All right, The third pointer that we are going to do is reduce the number of takeouts, and we have to use our refrigerator smartly. Coming to takeouts first, limit it to 2 times in the week, okay? एंड जो भी टेकआउट आप मंगाते हैं उसको आप रेफ्रिजरेट मत कीजिए. तो मंगा रहे हैं तो फ्रेशली खाइए एंड डू नॉट पुट इट इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर. Coming to using the refrigerator smartly, so I'm going to take you to our fridge, okay? So what you guys need to do is, जब हम कुछ बाय करते हैं वो प्लास्टिक में आता है, हम लेके सब कुछ अंदर डाल देते हैं. So they are all with each other with that plastic, okay? So remove it, put it in a container which can be of steel or glass, yeah, put it in a plate and then put it in your fridge, because it looks also better and you find also things better in the fridge. Now here I'm going to show you our fridge, okay? So this is, you know, पहले घर में हमारा एक स्पेशल कंपार्टमेंट फॉर स्पेशल थिंग्स होता था कि इधर यही रहेगा और कुछ नहीं रहेगा. तो ये हमारा फ्रिज है. यहाँ पे मिल्क और मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स एक कंपार्टमेंट में है, कुक्ड फूड दूसरे कंपार्टमेंट में है, और जो भी अनकुक्ड रहता है जैसे वेजीज या फ्रूट्स, सो लाइक वी हैव दिस एप्पल हियर इन ऑफिस, स्टेज हियर, ओके? सो कीप थिंग्स इन डिफरेंट कंपार्टमेंट्स द वे इट यूज्ड टू बी एंड नॉट ऑल टुगेदर. ऑलराइट, another thing that you guys should do, which you have stopped, is using things like this, a lid, steel ka ya glass ka, to cover your food, okay? What we do now is we just use plastic or aluminium foil, and all of these things affect your hormones. So stop that and get back to the lids. One more thing about using your fridge smartly is, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसको आप डायरेक्टली खोल के खा सके वो आप मत फ्रिज में रखिए. वेल, आई गिव यू अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स, लाइक आइसक्रीम खोल के डायरेक्टली खा सकते हैं, कोला, जूसेस, सो एनीथिंग दैट कैन बी ओपन एंड डायरेक्टली हैड कैन नॉट गो टू योर फ्रिज, ओके? नाउ विल कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट pointer number 4 is you have to pre-prep for your meals of the week in advance. So weekend पे pre-preps कर लीजिए. So I'll give you a few examples of meals that you can do is उपमा. जो रवा होता है आप उसको रोस्ट करके वीकेंड पे कंटेनर में रख दीजिए. देन यू कैन मेक अ फ्रेश हॉट उपमा फॉर योर सेल्फ फॉर लंच, और वो अगर बच जाता है देन यू कैन ईट दैट फॉर डिनर ऑल्सो. अदर ऑप्शंस वुड बी थिंग्स लाइक खिचड़ी और दाल राइस. उनके लिए आप सारा इंग्रेडिएंट्स पहले से बाहर रख दीजिए. सो इन द मॉर्निंग you can just soak your rice and your dal in water, and then at the end of the day just switch on the flame, so it becomes easier for you to prep for that meal. Another option would be, for example, इस हफ्ते मैंने डिसाइड किया है मूंग बनाना है, राजमा बनाना है और छोले बनाना है, तो get yourselves छोटा छोटा ग्लास का डब्बा and keep it here outside, so that you know these are the things I would prepare on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's easy for you. Basically आपको चीज़ें लॉजिस्टिकली भी अरेंज करके रखनी है और इंग्रेडिएंट्स वाइज भी प्री प्रेप करके रखना है, so that in the week it becomes like a smooth process for you. Another thing you can eat for like a hot healthy meal is, you have these powders like meatkut or all different kinds of podis. So you can just mix that with hot rice and ghee and eat it, or another way to do is put it in dahi and you can eat it with your roti. Okay, so pre-prep for all your meals on the weekend itself. Alright, coming to our last pointer, the fifth one is keep your exercise equipments accessible. Treadmill or like a cycle in your basement. अभी उसको सिर्फ कपड़े सुखाने के लिए हैंगर के जैसा सब फालतू चीज़ें उस पर रखने के लिए you guys keep it. Okay, so now you bring one of the equipment up or where you will find it on a daily basis. Preferably keep it like at a window, तो जब आप एक्सरसाइज करें तो आप बाहर का व्यू देख सके, और जब आप घर में ऐसे ही चलते हो तो वो इक्विपमेंट आपको देख सके और बोले कि कम एंड एक्सरसाइज. सो इट्स अ विजुअल क्यू. सी बेसिकली जो दिखता है वो ही बिकता है. सो समटाइम्स वी हैव टू सेल एक्सरसाइज टू आवर सेल्स. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली recap my 5 pointers for you guys. So keep all of the perishables from where you live and non-perishables from your Indian heritage. The second thing you guys must do is watch out for your serving size. The third thing is reduce the number of takeouts and use your refrigerator smartly. The fourth thing is pre-prep for your meals on the weekend for the entire week. And the fifth one is keep that exercise equipment accessible. Okay, I have one more pointer to add for all of you guys is that, when we live abroad, we feel that eating different or eating away from our native, indigenous, cultural food will help us with getting a little more of some nutrients, for example protein or some vitamins or minerals. But that's really not the thing. I mean, what we end up doing is either eat a lot of meat or we just avoid milk and milk products. So don't do that, because that will compromise your gut bacteria, and like in the beginning I said, if you compromise on your gut bacteria, it compromises on your overall health. Okay, so if culturally you are used to eating non-veg, then you eat it the way you would always eat it. There would be always a few days of the week where you would not eat it, so follow that. And if culturally you have been a vegetarian, then you stick by that and eat the way you would. In both the cases, you are not going to fall in short of any nutrients. Okay, now the good news here is that science is catching up to our grandmother's wisdom. Okay, and it says in the dietary guidelines of America 2020, there is a guideline which mentions this. So I'm going to read it out aloud for all of you guys. Okay, so it says that diet should be planned, okay, in a way that it reflects your personal preferences, cultural traditions and budgetary considerations. So just keep up with how you would eat culturally, and you need not change anything for a few nutrients. Well, I have a few more pointers to add for you guys since it's our last day of the nutrition week. Just some additional tips for all you guys staying away from home. 1, don't worry about your parents and family living away. Okay, we are still a community that looks out for each other, so please don't worry about that. The second thing is, when we live away from home, we really pester our family with like, ये करो या आपको वो करना चाहिए या why are you not doing this or why you are not doing that. Basically भाषण देते रहते हैं पूरा टाइम घर से दूर रह के. So stop that, and what you can actually make them do, which will help them, is Rujita has released senior citizen videos. Okay, so make them follow that instead. And the third most important tip with your family staying away is don't do video calls at odd hours on a daily basis. Okay, it's really too much on both ends. So with that, I think thank you everyone for tuning in today and being a part of our nutrition week. Thank you. Bye.